Hello, all you fine folks out there. Today's video is about unmarked police officers and karma. Enjoy watching. The video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'd be happy to respond to your comments below the video. You can watch drivers block the intersection in front of police officers. Everyone got a ticket. An unmarked police car came flying up behind me and pulled in front of me with blues flashing. Thought he was pulling me over, but luckily it swerved across all lanes to come off at the junction. Dashcam caught an SUV that couldn't wait 2 more seconds, ran through a red light, and got pulled over by an unmarked police officer. I was on my way home, and that idiot suddenly changed their mind to turn left instead of straight. It was perfect timing when the officer saw the whole thing and he pulled the guy over. That was awesome. Unmarked white Camaro cop goes after speeding motorcycle. A few miles earlier, the author had observed this driver driving clearly over the speed limit.
I'm sorry. Sorry?
You want to slow down? You want me to give you a ticket?
I'll slow down, officer.
You sure?
I'll slow down.
See, you never know. It's behind you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Oh man. Woo! That's cool.
A bit of instant karma. So, this happened in the morning at Toronto's Dundas Street. I was surprised to see this driver pull up next to the front of the car as the traffic was very light. And traffic lights are pretty often there. Not really a way to go fast at all. Initially, I thought the driver intended to turn right or drop off a passenger, even though it was still a violation.
Damn. Damn, that wasn't undercover. Damn. Good thing I didn't blow past them. Not getting me tonight, boy.
I was on the highway and a black Impala came flying up behind me, so I decided to move over and pace them at about 110 miles per hour to see if they wanted to race.
I mean, whoever it is, they're f***ing. Watch this. He's about to fly by me.
What kind of car is it?
An Impala, I think.
Yeah, it is. It's a cruise or something.
Impala. No, it's an Impala. It's going 110.
Why is we just did some oh Mike.
That was a bad idea.
Oh my god. Are you actually serious?
That's not funny.
Oh my god, Mike.
That's fine.
Dad's gonna drive right past it too.
I know, we'll be fine. He's just gonna ask me why I was doing that.
The cop?
Yeah,
Just say you thought someone was on your ass.
I know. I'm gonna.
There's Dad right there.
Yeah, I know.
Hello.
Hey,
How you doing?
good.
You know what the speed limit is, sir?
Yeah, I do.
All right. 100 miles an hour, the speed limit?
No.
Okay. And unless you're coming from a fire or something, or you have one of these right here that I'm wearing, that going to an actual emergency, it's not a smart idea.
No, I know.
Fair enough?
I thought you were just some who was
No,
trying to ride my ass.
not this time anyway. So, all right. Have a good night.
All right.
You too.
Sorry about that. Who's going to an actual emergency? I was like, I thought you were just some was just riding my ass. No, not this time, he says.
Unanswered questions today, but I'll still be waiting for them in the comments under this video. Thanks for watching.